Okay, I've got all the decals off the front. The one that had the VIN number and other information I was able to get off in one piece so I can keep it with the other paperwork. This side still has to be done. You can see there's some fiberglass work that still needs to be sanded and then primer put over it. And there's spots like that all around the camper where it's been repaired for the leak. So right here, this hasn't been sanded yet. It's just got putty in it. I still have to get that sticker off. So I got all that off. And I gotta tell you, it was not fun to do. I tried to collect all the pieces here so that they're not flying all around the neighborhood. So the red is the hardest to get off. The black seems thicker, and sometimes it comes off in one long strip. And when that happens, I'm saying, thank you, Jesus, as I'm pushing the razor to get it off. So we've got this inside, and I have to say, I wonder why I spent hours cleaning this the day after I got it. Just to have it a mess. But I'll clean it again when it's done. So that's it. This is today's video. I'm going to finish this up. And then it gets sanded and get ready to paint. Alrighty, see ya. Thumbs up if you haven't already. Bye.